Started to turn, now it's seeing a fire. So hold on, give it a spray. What's up? Oh, your pliers?
Forgot the key.
Remember, it's not gonna run, it's just gonna ignite a little bit. Put the gas there. That's right. That's right.
Put the gas there.
That's right. That was too easy. It started.
Keys.